everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring with you my CVS haul. I was actually pretty excited with CVS. It was funny. Here's the thing, like tomorrow's Valentine's Day, right? I swear, like every one person who was doing their normal shopping in that store, every five people after that were all like men getting their women like Valentine's Day cards. They brought their kids, they were getting balloons, they were getting candy, they were getting cards, and I'm just like, that is crazy. I remember, I think it was like last year or whatever, I was shopping on Valentine's Day and I could not believe how many guys were in the store getting their wives or significant others, you know, Valentine's Day stuff. I really don't do Valentine's Day with Graham. I just don't want to. I'm so cheap that I don't need anything. I'm not a flowers person, and balloons, I can get them at the Dollar Tree. So imagine going to the Dollar Tree right now. It is crazy. But I'm here to share with you guys my Walgreens, or my CVS haul actually. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is I actually got a freebie, where is it? I got a free $5 greetings card CRT. So I'm like, okay, let's see what we get. And I'm like, wait a minute, I need more thank you cards. So I was looking at ones that were $5.99. It was a 20 pack for $5.99. And I was thinking of getting that and only paying 99 cents for 20 cards. And then I'm like, ooh, but I'm not a big fan of those cards. I was actually eyeing up these cards. These are the ice cream scoops that just say thanks. And if you guys win contests from me, you will be getting one of these awesome cards. But there's it's a 10 pack, so it's like 5 cards, or 10 cards and 10 envelopes. But this was $3.99, and I had that $5 off free greeting card CRT. So I ended up using this, getting that. So I got these for free. And then one of you mentioned about my beauty club thing. I didn't get anything last week, but this week I actually had something that showed up in the app. And I ended up getting the Paparazzi gel hand sanitizer. I got the watermelon one. So make sure you get, they have the gel hand sanitizer, and then they also have this soap. So make sure you guys are reading the correct item, but I ended up getting this one. It actually smells pretty decent. So this was $2.99, and I got it for the free beauty thing. It's just like, I feel like it's all face masks, and I'm not really a face mask type of person, so I just kind of went away from that. My cat is meowing because she can't find me. But yeah, so the next deal I got was the Nivea Men body wash. My husband loves Nivea products. Like, he's just all about Nivea. So these were $5.59. I used a 3 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. I also had a 2 off of 8 CRT that I used. It was off men's body wash. And then I had a 3 off of 12 women's. And when I scanned the men's, it did pop up. The women's one did pop up, but I wasn't spending $12 anyways. But I used that 2 off of 8. Paid $6.18 for the both of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making it just $1.18 or 59 cents each. So yes, I think this green one is my husband's favorite one, and they only had one. So I'm like, I had to call him and be like, yo, what is your favorite body wash? So I got him that one. The next deal I did was the shampoo and conditioner deal. Now I had a 4 off of 25 hair shampoo and conditioner. Hi, baby. So I ended up getting the Pantene. These were 3 for $12, and then I had that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So I ended up using that for that. And then I bought the Dove shampoo and conditioner. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I was using last month. That's not candy, honey. But I was using that last month. So these were 2 for $9. And I had that 3 off of 2 insert coupon that I used for that. And then I ended up getting... Oh, you got a sandwich? And then I ended up getting the Garnier Whole Blends. These were 2 for $7. And I had that 4 off of 2 insert coupons. So all 7 items were $28 before coupons. Used the 5 off of 3, the 4 off of 2, and the 3 off of 2, and then I had that 4 off of 25. Paid $12 for the 7 of these, but when you purchase 3 of the Pantene, you get $10, and then when you purchase 2 of the Dove, you get, or 2 of the Dove, you get $2. The Whole Blends, you didn't get anything. I don't think you got anything for it from what I remember. So my total came out to be for free. So paid $12, you get $12 back. It came out to be free. I've noticed a lot of the bottles are changing into stuff like that now. Yes. So the next deal we got is the Halls. My store was like sold out of the Halls. They only had this flavor literally. So these were 2 for $4. I had a $1.25 off a 2 insert coupon. Paid $2.75 for this, but then you get a $1 extra care buck, making it $1.75 or just 87 cents. I give the husband these to bring to work because I don't need them. I'm not a Halls person. I don't like the menthol taste to it. So yes. So the next deal we got is the Axe spray. These were $5.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I had $1 off digital and a $1 off insert coupon. Then I also had a 3 off of 15 deodorant CRT. So then I also ended up getting the Speed Stick. This was $4.19 at buy one get one 50% off. Paris wants to jump on my desk. I had a $1 off Speed Stick CRT. Now there is printables that I could have gotten, but I did not use I could not print it, the printables, because I maxed out at the printables, so I did not get those. But I did have that $1 off Speed Stick CRT. So for the 3 of these with that 3 off of 15, seriously Paris, she can't hear me, so I can't yell at her because she can't hear me. With the 3 off of 15 CRT for the 4 of these, it came to $9.26. I ended up receiving $3 for buying 2 of the Axe, and I received $2 for buying 2 of the Speed Stick. What don't you understand? No. Paris, no. Oh my gosh. So for 4 of these, they come out to be $4.26 or $1.06 each. No. No, Paris. Oh my gosh. I had the door shut, but then, you know, people open it and come downstairs. So the next deal I ended up getting was, I was kind of craving these lip balms. So this is the cherry of the Nivea. These are the individual ones. These are over by the lotion. They have a different spot for the 2-packs, but the individual ones were 2 for $4. I had a 2 off of 2. Okay, Ben, quiet, honey. I had a 2 off of 2 insert coupon that I used. So you just get these for $2 or $1 each, and I'm like, that's a pretty decent deal. So I'm putting those in my lip balm spot. Now, I went to Walmart on Thursday, and I'm like, I am not going to hit this bonus that I needed like 42 rebates. But between the deal that I got yesterday at Family Dollar, and then the haul that I got at Walgreens today, and then the haul that I got at CVS, I only need 10 more rebates to get the my $10 bonus. So I'm probably going to go to either Walmart tomorrow or Tuesday or Target. So we will see what deals I can get. But I ended up getting the Tom's toothpaste. Now I was going to do the Colgate deal, but then I'm like, no, I'm going to get the kids' toothpaste. So this was $5.79. I had that $2 off digital coupon. It was either for Colgate, or it also said the Tom's, so I ended up using that $2 off digital. I had a $2 off and a $1 off Tom's oral CRT, so I ended up using that. Paid 79 cents for this, but then there is a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 29 cents. So I thought 29 cents for kids' toothpaste is a great deal. So I ended up doing that. And then the last item I got was the L'Oreal Age Perfect. No, I got the eyeliner. I got black and charcoal. I wish they had more black, but my store only had the one because I'm going to actually try this eyeliner. So these were $10.79. I used a $2 off printable coupon from coupons.com, and then I used a $2 off digital coupon. I also had a 5 off of 20 L'Oreal CRT that I used. Paid $12.58, but then when you purchase, or when you spend 20, you get a $7 extra care buck, and then you get $2 back and $2 back with Ibotta. So these come out to be just $1.58 or 79 cents each. So pretty much $10 off. I think that is a great deal. Right, Paris? Huh? Right, Paris. Yes. Yes. Okay. So my haul came, or my total came to $6.56. I just used all the extra care bucks that I had. So that's why it came to $6.56. I ended up using $39 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $30 back, and with Ibotta I received $4.50, $4 for the L'Oreal and then 50 cents for the Tom's toothpaste. So my grand total came to $11.06. I got 22 items at 50 cents each. I will take it. Now I know a lot of people were doing the Dawn dish soap deal. I just stocked up, I got cat hair in my mouth. I just stocked up like crazy during the past week at Kroger / Pick and Save because we had those $1 off coupons. Sorry, I got cat hair in my lips. Paris! So I ended up stocking up on a lot of those. I think I bought like 6 bottles between Family Dollar and the Pick and Save / Kroger. So I'm stocked up on that Dawn dish soap. Otherwise, that power wash is a great deal. But I saved $100, $114.92. So I'm pretty happy with what I saved. $114 for all that stuff, and comes down to $11.06. I mean, just thinking, was any of that stuff even close to that price? No. 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 But anyway, oh yeah, well the eyeliner was $10.79. I get a kick how many people shop at that store. Seriously. I get a kick of how many people shop at that store and look for makeup, and they pay full price for that stuff. I just can't do it. I can't do it. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with what I got. If you enjoyed my CVS video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. One thing, if you guys haven't watched my Walgreens video, make sure you're scanning your receipts to Amazon, to Receipt Pal, Receipt Hog, Coinout, all that stuff. Let's start saving up some money for the beginning of the year so you guys can have a great Christmas. I mean, we're going to start early. We're going to show you some money saving tips and all that stuff. But again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. See you later. Say bye. Bye.